Hey guys, today let's learn how to basically use coupons on Temu. So in the cases we want to go ahead and use coupons on the Temu website, how do you necessarily do so? So if you have received a coupon, or you have found a coupon online, or somebody has gave you a coupon, or you have found a coupon basically on the website itself, how do you apply this coupon on your next order so that you may receive some great and big discounts? In this video I'm going to teach you guys just how to do that, so please watch this video until the end. Okay, so let's hop right into it. Okay, so basically over here, I'm currently on the Temu website. So all we need to do once we're already on here, of course, let's actually go ahead on the main dashboard and the main screens that we should see as upon accessing the website. Of course, what I advise you guys to do is to go ahead and proceed with, first of all, logging on to your preferred accounts. And if you haven't already made an account on Temu, I advise you guys to register already so that we may be on the same page. And once you have already done all of those necessary things, all we need to do next is to choose the specific product that we prefer to purchase. In this case, I have already one product on my cart right now, and all we need to do is to tap on this cart button on the top right corner to go ahead and proceed to our cart. And then once that is done, of course, you need to select the items that you prefer to purchase. In this case, I have already selected this one right here. Next, of course, I'm going to tap on checkout. I'm going to tap on continue to checkout since this is the only thing that I want to check out as of the moment. And once that is already done, of course, since you have also added your shipping addresses and every necessary information that Temu might need in order to ship the product to you in the most efficient way, and also in your right address. Once that is all done, of course, in order for us to add a code or to redeem a coupon and use a coupon on Temu, all we need to do is to, of course, copy and then paste that coupon over here onto the enter coupon code section right under the order summary. Of course, once you have already entered your coupon code, all we need to do now is to tap on apply so that the discount would be reflected onto your total price to pay. You could also tap on apply coupon code over here and apply the coupon code right here if you have a bunch of coupon codes currently. So of course, in this case, I only have for an example that you only have one. Just enter that coupon code right here on this box section, tap on apply, and then that should already apply onto your total price, giving you the, of course, the equivalent of that specific coupon code. Tap on submit order to your address, and that is all for this video. That is how you guys could use your coupon codes on Temu. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.